Hey, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today, I'm going to give you guys a closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Can-Am Maverick X3 Max. Now, the Tusk UTV upgrade kits, they come in 3 different stages. That way you can find something that fits your personal preferences and your needs. Now, each kit comes with some of the best-selling products for these machines. And when you buy everything all in one kit, you're going to be saving some money. And these kits not only help your new machine stand out and look good, but you're going to have a more comfortable ride. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in each of the kits. To start out, we're going to look at the Stage 1 upgrade kit. This is the most basic and affordable option out of the 3 kits, but it comes with the essential accessories for your side-by-side. So what this kit includes is the removable half windshield. This thing is nice because it gives you some protection in the front. It's going to keep the dust out of the cab and still allow a little bit of airflow in there to keep you cool. Next up, we have the alloy UTV mirror kits with A-pillar mounts. Now you've got to be able to see behind you, and these A-pillar mounts put the mirrors in a good position. They're out of the way. You're going to be able to see everything you need to. And if you decide to run other accessories on your roll cage, you don't have a big bulky clamp that gets in the way. The last item in the kit is the polycarb rear window. This is going to help enclose the cab and protect you and your passengers from the elements. Next, we're going to look at the Stage 2 upgrade kit. This is a serious upgrade over the Stage 1 kit, and it is going to keep the same polycarb rear window in the back, but the things that get upgraded are number 1, the full glass windshield. Now this thing is going to give you some protection in the front, and if things get hot, you've got the vents that open up and let airflow into the cab. Now if the windshield gets dirty, you have the wiper to clear it off. The second upgrade is the pivot folding mirrors. Now these things are fully adjustable. You can move that glass wherever you need it to get the right angle. And these are also super durable. So if you happen to hit something with these, they're going to pop out of the way and you can fold them right back out. The last upgrade is the cargo barricade. Now this is going to give you some added storage space in the back, and there's plenty of tie down points to help secure your items. Moving on to Stage 3, this is the most premium option from Tusk. It comes with the full glass windshield, pivot folding mirrors, the polycarb rear window, the cargo barricade, but one of the main features of these upgrade kits is to help enclose the cab, and Stage 3 does that best because you're going to be adding some plastic lower door inserts. These are going to keep mud and debris out, and they're going to help your machine stand out and look good. And that's your closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Can-Am Maverick X3 Max. If you need one of these kits, they're available on our website. Again, when you buy everything in a kit, it's going to save you some money. Now, if you need help installing one of these kits, we have a separate how-to video for each kit, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and check those out. Now, if you have any questions, make sure you leave those down in the comments below. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.